Want to watch a members-only video on YouTube, but not sure how that works? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to watch members-only videos on YouTube. Now let's get started. In order to watch a members-only video on a YouTube channel you like, you'll need to subscribe to their channel membership. This subscription is separate from YouTube Premium. There's no way to access videos restricted to members only without becoming a member, unless the creator has posted that video on another platform without a paywall. To become a channel member, click the Join button below a video or on the channel's homepage, next to the Subscribe button. Some channels may have multiple membership tiers, so check out the various options and ensure that you've chosen one that includes access to members-only videos. Then click Join. The fee for channel memberships can vary, as creators set their own pricing and perks for their memberships at each tier. A membership may cost as low as 99 cents a month, or as much as $499 a month for highly exclusive memberships. Pay attention to the listed price in your own local currency before going through the checkout process. Note that membership fees are charged on a monthly basis, and your membership subscription is only for the specific channel membership you've joined. You can always subscribe for just 1 month to try it out and unsubscribe at a later time if you wish. Complete the checkout process by providing your payment information. You can pay with a credit card or with PayPal. Once you've become a member, you can go to the channel whose membership you joined and access all their members-only videos. You can tap Members Only on their Video tab to see just the exclusive members-only videos on their channel. Then you can watch these videos just like you would any other video on YouTube. That's all it takes to watch members-only videos on YouTube. Want to play a YouTube video in the background on your phone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.